got me hitting my ass.
That's your own goddamn brand.
I was betting my own, listening to you. I seen your look. I seen your arm point the other way.
Watch my feet. I'm getting fucked up.
Look out. Look out. I done did. Man, I done listen to Cody old sorry betting ass. Against his ass I go next time. He done got me hood up. I need my fire back, man. I was having free tacos until I started messing with him. Oh, watch out. Watch out, Mr. Security, man. You still got it? Do you still got it? Let me see what you got. Okay. Top flight. Let me see if you still got it. Holla for him. He needs some motivation, y'all. Come on, man. Let us see what you got, man. Don't hurt yourself. Okay. He still got it. Let me go over here. 434 dispatch. Who the fuck is burning rubber over here? How you doing, miss? You having a good night tonight? You ready to stop some shit if something go down? She ain't finna. What's up, man? You ready to go to Summit tomorrow? Oh, you off? Man, I like your schedule.
You should have come out here.
They let you make every.
See the car make some passes.
You get to make every race event. Hey, y'all, he getting special privileges up there. You gonna make everybody at Summit mad at you.
I don't get special privileges.
Yeah, y'all. He off every weekend, y'all. Everybody else ain't off every weekend.
Come on, Saturday, Sunday, Monday.
God damn, you got a badass schedule. He out Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, y'all. So he got action to go to every race. Damn. Gotta get up Rick Friday. I'm probably not gonna see the Friday race, but I'll tell you what right now, it'll be at the Saturday. I'm gonna miss that Friday race, but I tell you right now, Saturday night it's gonna be on, and I'm gonna be there because I'm off work. Glendale is on duty. Get off work from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. Oh, damn. Is this that girl? Oh, this that girl, y'all. Hell no. Let me see. I even switched out some dude drive. I knew that wasn't her shit. She was outside, y'all. It wasn't hers. It was running though. It was running. Okay. I see what it's working with. It had a little something. But anyway, make sure y'all like, subscribe, and share, man. Ain't nothing wrong with sharing. Sharing is caring, and it's also free. Look out. That's right. Oh, look at this girl driving. Come on up, come on up. Come on, a little bit more, a little bit more. Come on, right there. Okay. Oh, shit. Damn. He was just in the car saying, dale. Oh, you gotta back up. You gotta bag it up. You done went too far, little mama. Okay, yeah, right there. Just stay right there. Oh, you done went. You gotta go back again. Back again.
Oh, shit. No.
Come on.
She got a Chevy.
Make sure she's in drive, yo.
I think, is she in drive?
Have that Mustang.
Yeah.
Go!
Tell her get out of it. Oh, tell her get out of it. Okay. She all right, y'all. Everything's safe. Oh, this is my boy right here, boy. He know how to cut up right here, boy. Oh, he know how to cut up. All right, guys, we have the 1984 Regal. Hey, man, what's up with it? You still got that intake? Yeah.
I think it's a
Yello Belly. Oh, yeah, that's the one right there. Yeah, back it up a little bit. Back it up a little bit one time. Get some of that water. Come on. All right, that. Oh, you finna straighten it up? Okay, come on with it. Oh, you already beat it right there. Get some of that water. Okay, come on, come on. You got a little water. Let's come up. Come on up some more, some more, some more, some more, some more. Matter of fact, come all the way up to right. Yeah, right there, that's good. Okay. Bet five.
Bet your 5 back.
Bet the 5 back. Man, that damn bet ain't running. He just said he beat him. Hey, didn't you say you beat him 2 times earlier?
No, probably like 3 weeks ago.
Oh, you think he got juice now or something?
He had juice then.
Oh, okay. So I need to bet with you, right?
I don't know, man. It's gonna be a close race.
Oh, he got juice. He hear him spraying up there?
That's all right.
Well, he love a burnout, boy. I ain't gonna lie. And he go way out there, too. Huh? Oh, that's my boy. Damn. Nah, I don't want to bet no more, man. Let me see if he betting. How much? How much? How much? 100? Oh, no. Hell no. Well, hey, man, I'm off the bet. He trying to bet 100. I'm out. Fuck him. Huh? Yeah, you ready?
Now go to the right a little bit.
Oh, he looked like he finna D-stage. Damn. Back it up. Boy, he got this damn shifter. Why they gave him that shifter?